In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upgrade your storage plan on Google One. If you've ever found yourself running out of space for all those important photos, documents, or emails, this guide will help you increase your storage swiftly and seamlessly. First, let's head over to one.google.com. Once there, make sure you're logged in with the Google account you wish to upgrade. This is crucial because your storage upgrades are tied directly to this specific account, and you want to ensure you're extending the space for the correct one. Now that you're logged in, let's check your current plan. Right on the home page, you'll be greeted with an overview of your storage usage, providing a clear picture of how much space you have left and how much you're currently utilizing. This snapshot is handy as it gives you an idea of what kind of upgrade might suit your needs best. Next, it's time to choose a plan that fits your needs. A simple click on the upgrade option will present you with a variety of storage plans to choose from, ranging from 100 GB to more extensive options like 200 GB, 2 TB, or even 5 TB. Consider what you need for the foreseeable future. If you're an avid user of Google services storing photos, videos, and significant amounts of data, you may find a larger plan like 2 TB to be more beneficial in the long run. Once you've settled on the perfect plan, it's time to handle the payment. Google makes this part as painless as possible by accepting various payment methods. You can use a credit card, debit card, PayPal, or even Gcash if you're in one of the supported regions. Choose the option that works best for you and provides the most convenience. It's a straightforward process where you'll add your payment information according to the method you've selected. Make sure to double check all your payment details to avoid any errors during the transaction. Finally, confirm your subscription. At this point, Google will finalize the process and you'll receive verification of your upgraded storage plan. The new space should be available almost immediately, ready for you to start filling it with whatever you need, be it cherished memories, work documents, or simply more data. And there you have it. Upgrading your Google One storage plan is a quick and straightforward process. Whether you're expanding your capacity for personal files or looking to manage a small business more effectively by securing additional space, Google offers plans to accommodate a wide range of storage needs. Thanks for watching and upgrading alongside us.